Here at 2812 Cali Caddis Avenue. This house is just under 2,500 square feet, 2.5 bath, 4 beds, 2-story home in Inspirada, listed for $605,000. So let's take a look inside. So, walking into the front entrance, beautiful wood panels right here. So there's an office, there's no door here. Like I said, the wood panels, nice touch. And then here's the powder room. Back to the front door. Garage is over here. So 2-car garage. You got tankless water heater, water softener, stairs to go up. All right, open floor plan. You have quartz countertop. These are, got this tile backsplash. Whirlpool appliances. Island right here with a nice black ceramic Kohler sink. All really clean, nice size pantry. Nice flooring. Got some wood panels all across here. Got cabinets there as well. Let's check out the backyard real quick. Golf player. If you like golf, this is great for you to practice your putting. Neighbors. Right. Yeah, I like that. It's nice. So that's like added. Makes a big difference. All right, let's go upstairs. So carpet up here, coming up the stairs. Now we can turn left to the primary. You got the laundry room here. And then when you come up the stairs, you turn right, you got this nice loft area, bonus area, 3 thermostats here. So 1 here, 1 downstairs, and then there's 1 in the primary as well. Okay, so on this side of the house, there are 3 bedrooms. Another bedroom. Sliding door closet. Those are typically smaller. And 3rd bedroom. Of course, another walk-in closet. I like how this room has this little bench area. It's nice. And then here's the bathroom. So they only did 1 sink, but it's like a vanity. It's perfect. I like that. All right, let's look at the primary. Double doors. It's a nice sized room. There's your 3rd thermostat. Now we're in the bathroom. Dual sink. You got quartz slab. You know, 1 piece. I like it how it's like 1 piece, easier to clean, keep clean. Water closet. There's a window there as well. So this is a very clean house. All right. This is the end of the tour.